Fabulous, it's Artabulous with another beauty hack video. But before we get started, I want you guys to click that like button and subscribe and tell me in the comments below what your favorite natural beauty hacks are. Now let's get started. So if you've been following my channel, then you know how much I love flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are the original superfood, and today I'm going to share with you yet another of its many uses. The benefits of flaxseed on your eyelashes is that the vitamin E in it helps to moisturize and gives the eyelash follicles the nutrients they need. It also helps to repair damaged lashes, helping to make them stronger, thicker, and longer. Now let's get into how I use this miracle plant-based gel to make my eyelashes grow long and thick. First, I have to make the flaxseed gel, which I already showed you in my flaxseed gel for hair video, which I'll link for you in the description box below. So once I prepare the flaxseed gel, I find that it's easier to apply when I pour it into a small applicator bottle. I got this one from Sally's Beauty Supply. After that, I pour a little bit of gel onto my hand and mix it with my finger so that it's not so gooey. I then put a little on my finger and brush my eyelashes lightly in an upward motion. That's it. Flaxseed gel is an awesome natural remedy that really shows results, unlike the other products that don't but say they do. The best part is that it only takes a couple of minutes each day. If you have short eyelashes, it's well worth trying. You will see results. So I hope you fabulous ones out there liked this video. If you decide to give the flaxseed gel a try, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Also, if you have any other natural remedies for getting long eyelashes, please share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on post notifications to be the first to see the videos that I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. While you're at it, follow me on Instagram at artabulous.life to see even more of me. See you guys in the next video. Peace!